Hi, my name's Steve and welcome to the Seaside Allotment channel. We've just picked the garlic and that's the subject of another video, but while we were doing that we looked at the broad beans and we saw that I wanted to harvest them kind of, every week for 4 weeks, but they're just so big, they're all so big, they've all come at exactly the same time. So no, that's not going to work. We've got to harvest the broad beans as well today. So I'll show you what we're doing. So these are the beans, and at first sight you can't kind of see them, but there's a lovely crop of beans here. So I've bought my wheelbarrow and I'm going to get on harvesting. And there's a lot to do. Quite a tangled mess. Anyway, they're all done. Of course, as soon as I say they're all done and I shoot the video, I can see quite a few that I've missed. But anyway, there we go. That is quite a nice harvest, and I'm really pleased with the way I did these beans. I put them in a row of 3, and the book said you could only put 2, but anyway, I squeezed in a row of 3, and I was worried that the ones on this side wouldn't give me a good yield, because maybe they were difficult for the bees to get to pollinate or whatever, or they wouldn't get enough sun, but actually they yielded really well, no problem at all. So anyway, Debbie and I are going to be podding beans tonight. In fact, beans are the only thing really that we freeze, broad beans, because they just freeze so well, no fuss at all. We just put them on a tray and freeze them without any blanching or anything like that. And when you put them on a tray, they're just nice and loose in the bag, and so you can just take as many as you want out when it comes time to use them. So I hope you like this quick video. My name's Steve, this is the Seaside Allotment channel, and I'll see you soon.